If playback is lagging in Adobe Premiere Pro, it's often due to high resolution footage or system resource limitations. Here are simple fixes. The first solution is lower playback resolution. All you have to need, click on this icon. Here you can select 1:2 or 1:4. Don't select full. If you select full, then you will face playback lagging issue. So let's select 1:2. And now you can go ahead and play your timeline and check lagging solved or not. And the second solution is we have to render our timeline. So all you have to need, just hit enter key on your keyboard and this will render your timeline for a smooth preview. So it may take some minutes to completely render all your frames. Once you successfully rendered your timeline, now you can see the red line replaced with the green line, and then you can easily go ahead and preview your timeline without any lagging issue, just like this. And the third solution is we have to enable GPU acceleration. To do that, go to File and hover over on Project Settings and click on General. In here you will get render. Just click on this drop down and here you have to select Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration and then click on OK. And after following this, go ahead and enjoy your Premiere Pro timeline without lagging problem.